Okay, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to Year 8. So anyone who had a go at this test. This is me just going through the answers. If you've, like I always say, if you've not had a go at this test yet, go away, have a go at it first. This isn't for before the test, this is after the test so you can work out. I'll tell you, have a look at question 8, have a look at question 4, whatever, and then you can go on to this. You can watch the whole thing so you've got a really good idea of it, or you can just skip through to the questions that I've pointed you out to, have a little listen, work out how to do it, and if you're still not sure, comment on the show my homework, say, I'm still not happy with question 9, sir, can you help me with that? Boom, and we'll go from there, okay? Right, so first of all, circle a correct unit for area. Well, the only one there that is correct is centimetres squared. This is, centimetres will always be for length, so will inches, or anything basically without a squared or cube there. Cubed will always be for volume, okay? So, there we go. Right. Find the area, state the units with correct unit. All of these need units, so I hope you've been really careful with that. So, find the area. You've got a triangle here. It is base is 11 and its height is 9. Lots of people, I reckon, will have done 11 times 9 and got 99, but hopefully a lot of us have halved that and ended up with 49.5, and of course centimetres squared. Okay. I'm hoping I don't make a mistake on one of these because it's so easy to make a mistake on the units. Right? Find the area, state the units for this one. 15 times 25. So we've got 10 of those is 250, half of that's 125, so we're looking at 375. And again, don't forget your units, centimetres squared. Next one, find the area with correct units again for a trapezium this time. Now this trapezium is on its side, so that straight away throws people. Okay, these are the parallel sides. You can clearly see that this one and this one are the parallel sides. They're the A and the B. You want to find the average of those. So you could probably work that out without doing this, but just to get used to it, 5 plus 9, 14, and half it's 7. And then times that by the distance between them. 7 times 6, 42. Again, I knew I was going to nearly do that. 42 metres squared, because of course that's not in centimetres, in metres. Find the missing length of this one. Well, this is a parallelogram. You've been given the area. You know with a parallelogram that the area is the base times the height. So 160 is the base, 20, times question mark, meaning that question mark must be 8. So 8, and because we're dealing with millimetres, that's millimetres. Right, getting on to some proper stuff now. So surface area we have. Find the surface area of this cuboid with the correct units again. Okay, so we have got that this bit here is 2 by 5. That's 10 centimetres squared, 2 times 5. We've got this bit here. Well, we know that that's 3, so this is 3 as well. We know that that's 2, so the height is 2 there. So that's going to be 6 centimetres squared. And the top is going to be 3 times 5, 50, because we know that if that's 5, that's also 5. 15 centimetres squared. So if they're all, the ones we can see, 15, 10 and 6, then there's another 15 on the bottom, another 10 if you've got the front, the back, and another 6 on the left. So we add all those together, or we just add that and that and that, 25, 31, and double it. 62 in total, whichever way you did it, that's what you should be getting. Okay, next page. Work out the volume of this cuboid, again with correct units. It's 10 long, 8 wide, and 4 high. Because it's volume, we just times those 3 sides together. Otherwise, some people might have done, let's work out this area here and then times it by 10, but of course, that is the area, and then times by 10, same thing. So 4 times 8 are 32, times the 10 is 320, and it's centimetres cubed. And you need that cubed for that last mark there, the 320 centimetres cubed. Right, volume of this shape here, this triangular prism. That's a bit of a trick, I'm afraid. You don't need the slant length when you're doing volumes. All right, so you've got a base and a height, 10 times 12 and half it. and then times it by the length. So we work out the area by doing 10 times 12 and halving it, which is 120 half 60, and then times it by that 6, 360 centimetres cubed. Okay. The next one, work out the surface area of the following shape. Now, I've just included the triangles isosceles, so we know that this is also 7. Let's start working out all the bits we need to know. So we need to know the front triangle, the back triangle, the right rectangle, the left rectangle, which is sort of here, and the bottom rectangle. Okay, so front triangle, base times height and half it, 6 times 4 and half it, 12. Back triangle, same. Right triangle is 7 by 12, 84. Left triangle, just because it's an isosceles, means it actually will be exactly the same, 7 by 12, but only because it's an isosceles. Bottom triangle, 4 wide, 12 long, 48. That's all your different bits and bobs. You need to add those up to get a total. And the total, of course, just so I don't forget, is centimetres squared. 12, 24, 108, 112, 192, 240 centimetres squared. Let's just check that. 48. In fact, chuck it in. Okay, just so I don't want to be putting out something that's wrong. 48 plus 84 plus 84 plus 12 plus 12. There it is. 240. Yeah, perfect. Right, and that is the end of the test. Anything you're still not sure about, you know the drill. Comment to me on the Show My Homework where you've submitted this, and just say, look, thanks for telling me about question 8 that I need to work out or not. Yeah, but I'm still not happy with it. Just then that way I can sort of lead you in the right direction. If you can be more as specific as possible, then that's even better. It means I can get straight to the bottom of the problem. But if it is just generally I really don't get it, just tell me and I will help you out with it. All right, see you later.